Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to create Paprika Acrylic Color. So I am taking more red and little brown acrylic, mixing well together for this color creating. After this, I will bring you an idea to paint Moonlit reflection on the water painting. So I am taking 10 by 12 canvas board and using flat brush size 24. First wet the flat brush and picking some Paprika Acrylic color. Apply top on the canvas board from the left hand side to the right hand side. Here at the top I am adding little more black acrylic and starting the blending from downwards to upwards. Here I am using the same horizontal brush strokes only. The first thing is understand your medium. Acrylic paints are a versatile and forgiving medium, making them perfect for those just dipping their brushes into the world of landscape painting. They dry quickly, allowing you to layer and blend colors ease. And they are water soluble, meaning you can adjust their consistency to suit your desired effect. Acrylic medium, the only limit is your imagination. Remember that paints are more than just tools. They are your partners on this creative journey. The more you understand them, the good sketches your roadmap to a successful painting. Next, I am coming to the water body. Here we have some water, so I am adding some white acrylic with the previous color for this water body. Again, start and blend the colors together from the left hand side to the right hand side using the same horizontal brush strokes. The next step, to create the moon, there are so many options for creating the moon. For example, we can create directly on the canvas. Otherwise, here I am showing another method, that is take any round sheet as per your desire and applying white on the outside and holding tightly, placing on the canvas left side here like this and giving little pressure and hold it for a couple of seconds and take away slowly. The next step, start to create the floating clouds. So I am using same flat brush and picking little bit of paprika acrylic and some titanium white, mix well together for the color combination and just create the clouds like this. And using the circular motion brush strokes, smoothen up like this and just creating some floating clouds around the moon in the sky. Now highlighting and creating the lights around the edges of the clouds. I am using round brush size 2 for this and I am not using the wet brush, only the dry brush only, and picking some white acrylic to apply top of the clouds around like this and blend the edges slowly step by step. Don't press the brush too hard and just give lesson pressure. This will give more realistic looks to the clouds looking light. Now our floating clouds are ready. And here also the moon reflections on the water, the same concept. I tilt and bring back the bristles like this within my finger and sprinkle like this on the canvas for creating the moon reflection on the water like this in the water body. And for these techniques, we can do it close to the canvas. We can get this kind of render lines, means take an array of 2 or more points when close to the canvas to create a moon reflection on the water. And here also I want to do some additional highlights down here in the water for moon reflections on the water. So because of this, I am adding more white here. The next step, I am going to create the forest skyline in the middle of the canvas. Because of this, I am using flat brush size 4 and picking black acrylic color and using the dabbing techniques, creating the bushes like this for the forest skyline. Here in this right side also, the corner of the canvas, using the same techniques. Next we are going to create the beautiful tree. Because of this, I am using flat brush size 4, loading black acrylic both sides of the bristles to create the tree trunk like this, holding brush and keeping bristles of brush vertical way. Put less pressure on the top to make the tree trunks. Next, give little more pressure when come downwards to create the trunk of the tree. After finishing the tree trunk, next creating the branches. I am creating the branches also in different sizes. And here nothing hard, you can learn the painting within few easy steps. It's not having like lot of mathematics steps. I am teaching trigonometry for my children, and painting steps are not as difficult as the mathematics steps I teach, and within few easy steps you can complete the paintings. And next, decorating the trees full of branches like this. Next, highlighting the trees for the realistic look. So I am using the sponge and picking the black acrylic and using the dabbing techniques and creating the leaves around the trees like this. All the colors are the soul of my paintings, in my heart, into every corner of this canvas. Always silent storyteller and whispering in my soul. One thing always keep in your mind. And every first painting sometimes discouraged you, but you don't discourage in your first painting. First we can stand up in front of our blank canvas only, but the perfect painting sure will come with waiting of our patience. Finally, highlight the branches, and I am using linear brush size 2 and picking black acrylic and highlight the branches around the tree like this. I am sharing here different brush strokes and techniques for beginners. Here, color creating challenging and one color using with the making of painting. Here are getting ready for you in my upcoming videos. Stay connected, like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video.